This video explains how to create custom user properties. If you need to collect additional data about your users, you can add up to 5 different user property fields visible on the user's profile. Navigate to the user profiles in the main menu and then click on Custom User Properties. Click Create New button to create a new user property. Enter the name, optionally a description, and choose a field type from the drop-down menu. You can choose yes/no, text, date, timestamp, number, and drop-down. Click Save to confirm changes. You can see the number of available properties representing the remaining custom columns you can create. By enabling/disabling the custom property, you can control the column's visibility on the user profile page. If a custom column is disabled, but the information is already entered, all stored values are saved but not displayed. You can edit an existing custom user property or delete one. The newly created fields are instantly visible in the Create New User tab. Turn off the option that displays only basic information, and you will see new properties below. Moreover, any user can now fill those fields in their personal information.